Are you ready for the release of DJI Mavic 3? Leaked pictures, information, and rumors show that the release of this drone might happen sooner than later. The DJI Mavic 3 drone leak pictures have left everyone talking and anxiously waiting for its release, especially now that we are all headed for the fall sale season. Since the release of the DJI Mavic models in the summer of 2018, the company has released two smaller folding drones. However, the vital gadget, popular among pros, has nearly taken a second seat. The return of the DJI Mavic 3 looked inevitable, and rumors have finally begun to concentrate around release date and specification. The leaks also tell of the two different versions of the DJI Mavic 3, all of which are a little more expensive than the DJI Mavic 2. Therefore, this article will use the leaks and rumors to discuss the release date, the cost, specs, and if the release rumors are true or false. Before we start, please make sure to click the like and subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. The release of DJI Mavic 3. You might all be aware that the company has yet to give the actual release date, and we are relying on the leaked information. Based on that information, the release date is leading to November. Yes, the DJI Mavic 3 release might happen anytime this month. If we choose to rely on the leak from Jasper Ellen's Twitter account, then there is a possibility that the drone might be out in the market by the end of 15th November. Pretty good news there. However, you should know that all we have right now are just but rumors. How much does the DJI Mavic 3 cost? The drone's entry-level model is expected to cost around $1,600. However, there would be three different versions available: DJI Mavic 3 Basic, DJI Mavic 3 Fly More Combo, DJI Mavic 3 Cine Premium Combo. The drone specifications. Despite not receiving any information on the Mavic 3 drone from DJI, it is safe to use the information from DJI tipster Jasper Ellens. According to the pictures she shared, DJI Mavic 3 seems to be a massive upgrade from DJI Mavic 2. It is presumed to have an infrared detection system, an omnidirectional impediment avoidance system, an entirely stabilized 3-axis gimbal with a telephoto and broad-angle camera capable of capturing 5.2K video and 20MP stills. You will not have to remove the battery because it supports direct USB-C charging. This adds a few grams to the weight of the Mavic 3 Pro, which is up from 907 grams on the Mavic 2 Pro to 920 grams. Despite the added camera and other new features, the Mavic 3 will be able to fly for 46 minutes, a substantial increase over the Mavic 2's 31 minutes. The Mavic 3 will reportedly be available in two models, a Pro and a Cine, with the latter including a built-in SSD and a 1 gigabit per second lightspeed data cable for speedier data transfers. It will also include a new version of DJI's display-equipped smart controller, which will enable video transmission of up to 15 kilometers, up from 10 kilometers, on the Mavic 2 Pro. DJI Mavic 3 camera in flight modes. The drone has a primary camera which is a micro four thirds m4/3 sensor. This would help aerial photographers, allowing for better detail and a more cinematic image in general. The secondary camera has a 12-inch sensor and will handle a 7x optical zoom lens, giving the drone a 28x hybrid zoom capacity. DJI Mavic 3 will also include several obstacle avoidances and intelligent flight modes. Hyperlapse will be supported, allowing users to warp time to create particularly fantastic footage. Quick shots will enable the drone to navigate a problematic aerial route to capture a professional-looking photo. Mavic 3 will use active track technology to follow subjects while avoiding obstacles autonomously. DJI Mavic 3 Smart Controller. Mavic 3 will be accompanied by the new DJI Smart Controller V2. It will be equipped with the most recent version of DJI's patented OcuSync video transmission technology, which will allow the drone to send HD footage in real time up to a distance of 15 kilometers, almost 10 miles. The built-in 5.5-inch screen has a 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. A wide range of gimbal and drone controls and programmable buttons are included on the controller. Its maximum battery life is projected to be about 3 hours. Are the rumors fake? Is this fake news? Not every DJI Mavic 3 rumor is legitimate. At least one video has been demonstrated to be a simulated projection of a likely bogus box design onto a 3D shape only to garner clicks. That is the level of desire for social media attention. Right now, it is prudent to remain cautious. Autel Robotics, a competitor of DJI, is also having a series of suspicious leaks. This means that all the big companies are working so hard to remain relevant and, in the spotlight, to attract the largest share, which can amount to $3 billion the drone industry brings to the Chinese manufacturer each year. Conclusion. Following the recent leaks of the DJI Mavic 3 drone pictures, price, and almost all the probable features, one might conclude that the stories are not hypothetical anymore. The release is happening, and the DJI Mavic 3 should be out in the market sooner than later. Comparing DJI Mavic 3 to Mavic 2, it is clear that there are incredible upgrades, and one might be very excited to buy it and experience the new feeling. Given the 3-year gap between the Mavic 2 and Mavic Pro drones, it is about time that DJI developed a replacement, or two. While Drone DJ's source claims that a significant chip shortage for a new intelligent controller and development problems on the Hasselblad side are causing delays, rumors state that the release might happen from 15th November. We therefore recommend that you wait for its release so that we can see the advancement before choosing to buy the upgraded DJI Mavic for ourselves or our loved ones. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, you must press the like and subscribe button. And let us know your valuable feedback by commenting below the video.